In this video, I'm going to show you how to do surgical EQ, doing narrow cuts like this, removing or taming unwanted resonances, whistles, ringings, or pretty much anything, any particular frequency that stands out too much. Now, 3 ideas. First of all, making sure you can hear them. Before I isolate it, see if you can hear this resonance. There's a clue on the screen. It's a high frequency resonance, a disproportionately piercing little noise. Now, if you didn't hear it, don't worry. The more you do this, the better you'll get. However, I can draw your attention to it by doing fantastic. Now, the technique: grab a node and set a high resonance. And here's the trick: boost it, sweeping through the spectrum until the annoying frequency becomes extremely annoying. Not there yet. Ooh, that was probably it. And found it. Then, of course, invert this. Basically, it's easier to locate a frequency by boosting it. And finally, idea 3. Sometimes these resonances, these whistles, can actually be a part of what makes this sound unique. And so you don't always want to remove it. Maybe it's best, like here, to just ease it back a touch. For example, notice if I completely remove it, it loses some personality. With all the resonance removed, it's a bit more neutral, a bit more generic, standard, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It just depends what I want. Finishing with a quick word of caution: don't necessarily go looking for these things. Instead, become aware of them, so when there is a particularly resonant-y frequency, you can remove it, but don't necessarily remove every frequency you hear. Otherwise, you might just be removing some of the character of the sound. Thanks for watching.